Weather is very cool.
And we're not recycling it.
Well, yeah, exactly. We're going to have it on repeat for the next couple of days, matter of fact.
Perfect.
Tomorrow, gorgeous. Today, just beautiful, bluebonnet skies and not a cloud in sight. You can see downtown San Antonio off in the distance. And again, it's dry. Temperatures are in the 70s right now. Feels great. Humidity is down. Dew points are running in the 30s, so it gives you an idea of how dry the air. And this morning was cold. And it was below freezing in some areas across the hill country. In Kerrville, for example, that was 28 earlier this morning. We bottomed out at 36 at the airport, 31 in Austin, and some lower values out to our north and west. Right now, current temperature 70 at the airport, 68 in Helotes. Same thing in Bernie. Some lower 70s out to our south and east, and temperatures are just very mild. This dry air loves to heat up and also loves to cool down. So by tonight, if you have plans, if you're going to dinner, whatever you're doing this evening, it looks great. I mean, middle to upper 60s through about 7 and 8 p.m., mostly clear skies. And then overnight lows should drop down once again into the 40s tomorrow morning, but we'll be above freezing for early Friday. At the moment, it is clear. I mean, not a cloud anywhere across the state. You really have to move your way north or northwest into, let's say, Montana, Wyoming to pick up on some snowfall. And out there, it is a little active. You can see some of these snow showers starting to materialize in southern Canada, Wyoming, North Dakota. And this is the start of a very active weather pattern for the eastern half of the U.S. So watch on this forecast model as we go into Saturday afternoon, 2-3 o'clock. That same system strengthens, it deepens, and it moves towards Arkansas. And then it pivots and moves eastward into Tennessee and into Kentucky. And you can see some ice accumulation for much of the eastern coast, from the Carolinas to the Ohio River Valley to Ohio. And this system moves farther northeast away from Texas. Now on the backside of this system, we'll get cold. Another cold front is on the way for Saturday morning. And then I'll drop high temperatures from the 70s on Friday, tomorrow, to the 50s and 60s later on this weekend. And overnight lows are going to get cold too. So Sunday morning looks like our next freeze, lower to middle 30s for San Antonio early Sunday. Now, in terms of rainfall, it's not going to add up to much. You can see anywhere near Houston, maybe up to a tenth to a quarter. But here in our neck of the woods, it's going to be dry, and that's over the next 7 days. Speaking of the 7-day forecast, middle to upper 70s through tomorrow. We're on repeat through Friday, Saturday and Sunday, a bit cooler, but you'll see no significant rainmakers in the forecast. We say dry. Next freeze again on Sunday morning. We'll bottom out in the lower 30s Sunday morning. If you're in the hill country, if you're watching from Kerrville, from Fredericksburg, most likely going to dip into the 20s early Sunday. And then here comes the warm up for the holiday. 65 on Monday, 70 on Tuesday, and we'll stay very mild for the next several days for the next week or so.